Look, nobody is here to sugarcoat it. Hedge funds are bleeding edge, but they're also bleeding money, time, and patience. You know exactly what it feels like when an algorithm that's supposed to make your life easier ends up feeling like a noose tightening around your neck. You're losing deals, missing signals, getting crushed by volatility that no smart machine saw coming. The data is screaming mistakes, but the AI keeps hitting the same walls, while you sit there wondering if the human in the room is becoming obsolete. And trust me, that doubt stings worse than any P&L loss because it hits your identity, your expertise, your edge, your whole reason you're in this game. The fear? It's real. If you let the machines take over without a fight, you might just lose more than money. You lose control. But here's the brutal truth. No algorithm, no matter how shiny or complex, is going to fix what's actually broken. Markets don't play by the rules, and your edge isn't just in crunching numbers faster. It's in understanding the chaos, the emotion behind human decisions, and the subtle shifts that no code can catch alone. The real problem is thinking you can just hand over the reins and check out. That's a fast track to irrelevance and wipeout. Sitting on the sidelines waiting for AI to save you is not just dangerous. It's a death sentence in this space. So what's the move here? You need to go beyond just plugging in some smart system and hoping it runs your fund. Step 1. Take brutal ownership of the machine you build. Don't treat AI like a black box or an oracle. You own every line of code. Question it. Stress test it against real stress, real scenarios. No algorithm should run without you driving the wheel, guiding, overriding, breaking it before it breaks you. Step 2. Fuse people and machines so tightly they become one force. Every lead investor, every trader, every analyst must get so deep in the tech that the whole team senses moves before the machines even spit out a signal. This is about augmented intelligence, not automation replacing intuition. And here's something nobody shouts loud enough. Complexity kills speed. Stop building monstrous systems no one understands because complexity looks cool on paper, but kills decision-making. The fastest and cleanest edge wins. Strip down models to the essentials. Target the data sets you personally vet, not the ones someone else tells you to trust blindly. Finally, break the isolation. Hedge funds today are siloed madness. If you think you can survive solo, you're lying to yourself. Get relentless about building your network of operators, founders, and investors who actually understand these methods and fight the same fight. Share your failures as much as your wins. Be brutal in collaboration, because the future isn't the lone genius on a laptop. It's a freaking ecosystem, breathing and evolving in real time. If you're ready to crush the noise, take no prisoners, and stay human in a world that wants to automate your job away, this is your blueprint. Own your tech, merge it with your gut, simplify like your life depends on it, and build a real, raw network that doesn't flinch in chaos. Anything less, and you're just handing the game to those who treat hedge funds like code to be optimized, not an art to be mastered. You can't just let algorithms replace human experts. You have to make yourself irreplaceable. Right now, that's the fight. And it's brutal, but it's the only way you keep winning. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and check the featured link to discover more.